Nake Munini wa musumbi Rigathi Gachagua niwakulya Mangavana mamanthe nzia si mwana cia kwongela ukolanya wa Koti kaundini oundu umwe na kusyiiya mavuthi kana mavuthi ma wanganganya wa mbesa cia mwenenthi silikalini cia mitiuuko. Gachagua na ula kwi umunthi wakomana na Mangavana nthini wa kikalo cha kuoanya yiulu wa mwiana kana yiulu wa mwiana wa uthukumi wa kaundini waweta kuvikia oyu kaunti sionthe yikite matambia mailu kuyanisya wendekethio wa katiba wa kilungu cha 35 yiulu wa yana tacho kilungu kila kinini kila kaunti sialete ukolanya Koti na ndi ilivoti umbanito niwe Benjamin Mwaka.
The Deputy President of the Republic of
Akomanite na magavana maikaloni ma Munini wa musumbi mutano wa Karen vamuzini lovi sikaloni sio sia kila kuthima mwiana uthukumi wa mitiuuko. Gachagua niwakulya makulyo manene kwenye uthukumi kaundini sio nthena muno nthini wa ukolanya Munini wa Koti wa nthini ula wita wa kwa kisungu on source revenue.
We have noted with a lot of concern that the level of own source revenue collected is still below 35% of your estimated potential, especially areas such as property tax, which is a low-hanging fruit. Excellencies, as we agreed in our last meeting, please do streamline your revenue collecting systems with a view of optimizing your existing own resource revenue system by digitizing and automating your revenue systems and sealing leakages.
Ingi nwathingila silikali ni minite ngalikoni ake kunenga kaunti mbesa sio kila mwaindi no vindela thianeu na kwa uva ingwa kitumi hona kimwe kwa kaunti kwithwa na mathie ma uthukumi matema ive yani pending bills imwe ikusanitie kuma na kumwa kani muvetu wa silikali.
In view of the timely disbursement, I strongly urge you to fast track payments of pending bills on first in first out basis. Indeed, we should not be having pending bills for the last financial year. Delayed salaries to the county staff should also be a thing of the past.
Kuvikia oyu silikali cia kaunti ni kwatite mbewa silingi bilioni 600 kuma kwa silikali nene thino budget yo nthea silingi bilioni 385 katuno ina ila kaunti ivadhiwa timuvio wa kinandu mwakani wa silikali.
Of the 385.4 billion shillings allocated to the counties for the 2023/2024 financial year, out of which 61.1 billion has been disbursed to counties as an equitable share.
Ona uyovo ni wathingilila President William Ruto ni wathanite kutiucha mauthukumio nthema kaunti ki katiba nzia mwe kwa kasilikali isia mitiuuko ati oni wenda silikali sia kaunti sia mbembe kwivanga nesa undu wa kuthinikia ngalama ya yiulu ya uthukumi kaunti nei kwivoka kukutana na ulosani na ngalama ya wingi wa uthukumi yani county wage bill.
As we finalize on devolving the remaining functions, we have noted with a lot of concerns some emerging threats to devolution. Among the threats is the ever-rising wage bills that is slowly eroding the amounts appropriated for development expenditure. Such wage increases are not sustainable, both in the short term and in the long term.
Vilingwa mauvo kumavamu siti wa ilovi nye nito Benjamin Mwaka.